Okay, now with navigating the Linux file system. Okay, so navigating the Linux file system from the terminal is an essential Linux skill. To get anything done, you need to be able to move around, to find applications, files, directories located in other directories. So in GUI, or the graphical user interface based system, you can visually see the directories, but when you are using the command line interface, the structure is entirely text based. And navigating the system means using some commands. So first we will start with the changing directories, the cd command. Okay, so if I type pwd as we showed previously, here you can see that we have home Kali. And if I open here from open folder, and you can see inside Kali here, you can see that, don't worry, of course we will not do that, but I just want to demonstrate everything for you. Of course we will not use the open folder and see what folders then go to the folder we want. So I will choose cd. I will use cd command. I will choose downloads. But remember, this is a case sensitive. Okay, so D capital downloads, and you can, by the way, press tab. It will autocomplete. Will be like a shortcut for you. Okay, cd downloads, and now we are inside the downloads. If I type pwd again, yeah, home Kali downloads. Okay, cool. So far so good. Now what if I want to get rid of this thing? I don't want to open the folder and see what folder here, or directories here, I mean, or files, and then go to it. No, I need everything from the terminal. How to do so? Of course, we will use another command called ls. This ls actually to list a files or directories or every files here. Okay, so ls, it will show us everything inside here. Now, of course, I am inside the downloads directory, and it is empty. So I will choose the cd, but this time I will choose ... which means go to the parent directory of the downloads directory. Okay, again, don't get confused, a lot of information, but just follow me, everything will be easy. cd ... and ls here, you can see that we are seeing everything, all of the folder here. As you can see, desktop, downloads, pictures, videos, public, everything inside the what directory? Correct, pwd to know, yes, it is inside the home directory of the Kali user. Correct. Now, what is the command I will use to go to the music folder? Correct, it is cd music, but the M is capital, so mu as SIC with tab to auto-complete it, cd music. And what is the command to see the content of the music folder? Correct, it is ls command, but it is empty. Now, another options for ls command actually, which is to show every files, even the hidden files will be shown by using the option of the ls space dash or hyphen a. A means all. Show us all of the files. So if I type it like this, you can see that we are seeing now two directories. By the way, the blue here means directory. Okay, so two directory, the dot directory and dot directory. By the way, the dot directory here means the current directory, which is music directory. The dot here, which means the parent directory of the music, which is the home directory or tilde here. Okay, so if I type cd dot, it will not mean anything because we are currently inside the same directory, and go to the same directory, which is the same one. But you may ask me, what is this used for? Don't worry, we will handle that later on. But for now, we can use the dot slash. For example, we have sh file to run it here, or .python file, .py file. So dot means that this file is inside the current directory. No worries, we will talk about this in detail later on. No worries at all. So what is the command used to go to the parent directory of the music, which is the home directory? Correct, it is cd dot. So here we will go to the home directory of the music, which is, by the way, the home directory of Kali user here. And for that, we are really good. Now again, the ls has a lot of options, not just -a. We have the option -l. which means that show us the long list format. So you can see previously, if I type ls, it will show us just the name of the folders. But here it will show a lot of information like the permission of this directory, what is the type of this file or this object. For now, it is D, which means directory. Okay, again, just follow me. We will handle the directories, all of these details. What is this? What is this? What is that? Everything will be handled later on. But for now, just follow me. This is the -L option of the ls command used to show the long list format of it. For now, that's it. We'll talk about a lot of stuff and details later on. Just for now, keep that on your mind. I will see you in the next lecture.